Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Have an unboxing for you guys. It is the Beautyfix box by Dermstore and they changed their box. Yeah, they changed their box and they also changed their logo here. But let's go ahead and see what's inside it and maybe they'll explain why they changed everything up. Who knows? But I'll go ahead and list all the subscription prices down below so we can just go ahead and start seeing what's in here. Oh! Wow, they really changed that. Look at that. Okay, it says here, we're here for the unabashed love of skin. That's neat. I kind of like this. Is it dark chocolate? No, I think it's black and it's got some polka dots in there too. Well, not polka dots. It has their letter D. This letter here, it's on the lid. I hope you can see that there. Maybe, maybe not. There, maybe there. All right, that's pretty cool. 20 years of beautiful skin. That's pretty much why they changed everything. It's Dermstore's 20th anniversary. To mark the occasion, we're packing this month's Beauty Fix with the best of the best. From the line-reducing wonders to ultra-purifying cleansers to silky smooth serums, the top sellers of this month's anniversary box will set your routine up for success. Celebrate 20 years of healthy, clear, and radiant skin with us. And look, it's got a nice little birthday cake right there. Look, that's fun. All right, let's look and see. All right, the first product I'm getting here, it is by Eminence, and it's a strawberry rhubarb dermafoliant with lactic acid. Exfoliating scrub with rice powder and restorative strawberry gently buffs away impurities for a refreshed complexion. Okay, it kind of looks like powder by how the lid looks like. Yeah, it is powder. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, it is powder. Okay, you see that there? Yeah, it does have some exfoliation. Oh, it does smell like strawberries too. So brighten, soften, and smooth with this mild daily use exfoliant. Okay. All right, got another thing here. It's another deluxe sample size. It's by Dermalogica, the Special Cleansing Gel. Okay, I do get a lot of these in these boxes here. This soap-free formula gel gently removes impurities without disturbing skin's natural balance. All right, another deluxe sample size by Sunday Riley, the CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Infused with 15% stable vitamin C that recharges skin's natural radiance. This serum targets dark spots and reveals firmer skin. Okay, and I can kind of tell that it's only to here. So this much of product in this little tube. Okay, does look like they're all samples here. All right, this one by PCA Skin. It's the Hyaluronic Acid Lip Booster. Instantly diminishes dryness and boosts lips volume to create a plumper pout. All right, another sample here by Skin Medica, another product that appears in these boxes. It's the TNS Eye Serum, or the Eye Repair. Intensely rich formula with growth factors repairs, nourishes, and protects the delicate skin surrounding the eyes. I have tried this before and it's not my favorite, but all right. All right, we get a little bit of a bigger product here by Epionce. It's the Intensive Nourishing Cream. Powdered by fruit extracts and peptides, this therapeutic hydrating cream restores a useful and even-toned complexion. All right, another sample size. This is by Skin Cuticles, the Resveratrol BE. I've also tried this and not my favorite. But it does say that this first of its kind night serum uses resveratrol to reveal radiant and promote firmness while you sleep. You have a dry shampoo. I'm not a big dry shampoo fan, but my daughter is. So she'll enjoy this. It's by Oribe, the dry texturing shampoo. It absorbs excess oil at the roots, giving you volume. There's gotta be more stuff in here. Okay. Wow, okay, one more product in here and it's by NuFace, the Prep and Glow. It's a hyaluronic acid infused wipe to fight signs of aging while exfoliating, cleansing, and hydrating all in one step. Okay, you'd think with the 20th anniversary box they'll have a little bit better products. That's just me, But, okay, I think last month's box also had a lot of samples in that one. So how many samples did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sample size products in here. I'll bet some are deluxe and others are more the samples. But all right, that's a good way of celebrating 20th anniversary, 20 years. I mean, probably the only thing I'm excited about to try is the Eminence, the strawberry exfoliant. But pretty much they're all repeats in other boxes. So I guess that's why they said the top sellers in this month's anniversary box will set you up for success. So these are the top sellers. All right. I know, I'm sorry, don't mean to knock the box, but for the 20th anniversary, you'd think they'd give us a little bit more of maybe a full-size product of something in here, but I'm not on their team, so they didn't ask me. But anywho, it's kind of making me wonder if I should keep getting this box, because I am getting the Look Fantastic and the one by Detox Market, and I do get a lot of special edition boxes because now lately, the Dermstore one, it's having a lot of repeats in their boxes. So I don't know. I'll have to think about it long and hard before I do anything. And I'll let you know if I do. But for now, I'm going to keep getting it. And hopefully next month will be a nicer box. Who knows? We'll see. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the 20th anniversary Beautyfix box by Dermstore. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.